Welcome, friends, to a safe space to heal your kidneys. Take a few breaths with me now to help start your new day. A wonderful new day filled with new possibilities for healing your kidneys. This day, you have the power to heal your kidneys. Keep breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel with each breath becoming present with the healing force to renew your kidneys. Keep your focus upon your kidneys or the diagram of a kidney in front of you, or by placing your hands upon the kidney area of your body. Let us begin. I am healing my kidneys. Healing flows into both of my kidneys with love and with grace. Every cell of my kidneys are vibrating with healing frequency and love. Every cell in my kidneys are healing and removing the non-functioning cells in my kidneys. I am open to receiving spontaneous healing of both of my kidneys. I embrace healing of my kidneys and all of its forms. I have the power to heal my kidneys as I desire. My thoughts are aligned to healing my kidneys. I completely believe and accept that my kidneys are healing. Every day I grow stronger and resilient in my kidneys. I trust myself to make wise decisions that help my kidneys to heal each day. Thank you for all that I have healed in my kidneys and all the healing that is coming my way. I am truly grateful for the healing I have received. I see blessings and beauty in my everyday life. I am sending the divine energy of healing into both of my kidneys equally. I am an open channel for unlimited healing to flow into my kidneys. These seeds of words will flourish into vibrant healing in my kidneys. I practice love and kindness that helps others to be inspired to become their highest good. Health and love is my birthright, and with joy I claim it now, and I am grateful. I trust my healing journey to bring me everything I need to heal my kidneys. Healing is my superpower, and it grows stronger with every meditation I speak. I speak kindly to myself and others. Every day I am given power to pursue my dreams. Every moment I am grateful for the infinite blessings that already surround me. Thank you, God and universe, for the health and the wealth in my life. Every breath I take fills me with appreciation of living my best life now. I live in harmony with those that are on my path in this journey. Healing is drawn to me because I live in line with love. I am worthy of healing and all the freedom it brings. I am deeply connected to the energy of healing as it flows into me freely. Every person I encounter is an opportunity for my own growth and my own actions to align with love and purpose. I present the best version of myself each day. I celebrate the progress I make each day, no matter how large and no matter how small. Visualize your kidneys. Tell them that you truly love them and deeply appreciate them. Tell them that you are sending them stem cells to remove all the pyramid, column, minor coliacs, major coliacs, cortex, medullary array, papilla, and replacing them with new pyramid, column, minor coliacs, major coliacs, cortex, medullary array, and papilla parts of your kidneys. that these new parts will perform even better than the ones that you were originally given. Tell them that you are excited for their healthy new return, that each cell will flow now gracefully within your body and within your kidneys. Tell them they deserve to be fully restored and healthy. Now visualize a beautiful, warm white light surrounding the outside of both of your kidneys. Moving ever so gently inside your kidneys with divine, loving healing. Picture yourself feeling healed and waking up and walking into your new healthy life. Free to move, free to love, free to share, free to help others, free to play, free to work and live without any boundaries. And so it is.